beautiful people. Okay, so y'all know I come on here every single Monday and I share my profits with you guys. If you're new here, let me just explain, introduce myself, and then we'll jump into the video. Hi, my name is Paris Smith, and I was able to retire myself from the 9 to 5 at 24 years old by doing the very thing I talk about all over on this channel, which is an option strategy that I trade. Now, the trading strategy, though, is perfect for beginners. It's so easy. When I say so easy, it's so easy. I don't day trade. I don't read charts. I don't be looking at them daggone candlesticks. I don't have to pray to the good Lord that I make some money. Yeah, it's basically, I know how much I'm making even before I submit the trade. It's that good. It's that good. And I only trade 4 times a month. And I can rely on it to pay my bills. It is a phenomenal trading strategy. I'm so grateful. I'm so blessed to have had this trading strategy fall into my lap because I needed it so bad at a time where I needed it so bad. So if you're new here and you're interested in learning more about this trading strategy, I am having a free stock trading masterclass coming up. Click the link in the description for the date and the time. Go ahead and register. Please come early, okay? Show up early with your notebook, your pen, your paper, whatever you need. Prepare, because you are going to learn so much and your mind is going to be absolutely blown away. Let me put you on. Okay, now let's go ahead and get into this video. So we still trade in the same stocks. We still trade in ticker symbol B, Barrick, and we're still trading Delta. Now, I don't know how much longer I'm trading Delta. There's nothing wrong, okay? There's nothing wrong. Now, when I first started trading Delta, though, I think it was in like 60, the low 60s, the high 50s, like 58, 59, 60, 61. And so now that thing about 86. I think that thing about $86 right now, which I'm not like, I am very grateful because y'all know how I trade. I don't, like, let's say I have enough to trade, for an example, 10 contracts, but I'm not going to do that. I'm actually going to keep some on the side and then trade, you know what I mean? So my students that are here, y'all know what I'm talking about because I've been preaching that. And so those shares that I have on the side had created quite a bit of equity for me, which I'm so grateful for. So it's not like, oh, it's so expensive. Like, I'm grateful that it's expensive because the stock that I picked is doing what it want to do and it want to go up, which is beautiful, right? And so, yeah, but I don't know if I want to continue to trade a stock like this because I like to trade stocks that's in like the $50 range. Of course, if I can get it cheaper with a really good premium, we good there. But like $50 range, or it could be 40, it could be 30, as long as the premium is wonderful and that the stock has the fundamentals, which is wonderful. But once it creep up to that 90, that 100, yeah, that turns into a buy and hold. So, and I love the stock, so I might actually do a buy and hold. You know, it's been proved, like, if it jumped from 50s to daggone 80s, maybe we should lean in and take a look at that stock for a perfect buy and hold to add to the portfolio, you know? So that's where I'm at. I have not done the research to like find that next stock where I want to start building a position on, start making income off of. That's a little less than the $80, $90 range. I haven't started that research yet, but of course I will bring it here once I find a new stock to trade. And then 2, I don't know if I'm going to completely like put it to the wayside, because those of you that been rocking with me for a long time, y'all know that I'm not trading more than 3 companies. Like 2 we good. 3. All right now. Because I don't want this to feel like I'm day trading. I don't want to, when I trade on Monday, I'm not trying to like, you know, do too much thinking like, trying to figure out, oh, what do I need to do? What happened last week? Where did it close at? Where I'm trading? What strike price? Okay. Is the premium still consistent? How is it? I'm not trying to do that. I'm trying to do boo boo. Oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm not trying to like, you know, y'all know what I mean. I don't want it to feel like a job. I don't want it to feel like I'm day trading. I don't want it to feel like any of that, because I got into this trading, this strategy, just because I need time freedom. I need time freedom. I need freedom in general. That's something I don't want to do. I don't desire to sit at a screen and look at charts or anything. So 3 is the max. So let's say I might find another stock and it will be my 3rd one for this account, and that's okay. That's fine. But I will absolutely stop it right there. I have never traded more than 3 companies at one time at all. Never. The most I ever trade, well, I would say I have traded 3, but it wasn't like consistent. Like the most I ever trade right now is 2 companies, and then that 3rd is like, oh, you know what, let me trade that thing, because that thing look good, that premium good. Okay, boom, trade it. And next week, you know, let me trade again. Oh, let me trade, I still own it, let me trade again. And then I don't own it no more, and it's like, okay, well, that was fine. Like, I'm not really, you know, but 3 is the absolute cap, and that's what I'm thinking about doing. So but yeah, like when I preach time freedom, I really mean that in every area of my life. I have to have freedom. I want to have a peace of mind. I don't want to feel, I'm gonna get into my profits, okay? Y'all know I like to talk, but I need y'all to feel me. Like, I work so hard in 9 to 5 corporate America. Like, I've worked so hard, and the y'all know the feeling where you're like rushing to work. Like, it's just like you just rushing. Everything you do is rushing. You got 1,000,001 things on your plate, and it's just always something. I don't want that. I want to live the soft life. That's what I want to live. So if I want to create an income while I live my soft life, hey, this right here gonna have to fit into that box. And if it don't fit into the box, I don't want it. It's a hard no. So yeah, so that's where we are. I'll let you guys know what I decide to do. Yeah, I know I'll bring it here. Bring it here first. Okay. So, and of course, I am not a financial advisor. Your girl don't have, I'm not none of that. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, don't follow me. Okay, I'm just simply sharing what I'm doing because I love the stock market. When I say I love this thing, I'm just sharing what works for me. Okay, all right. So let's get started. So this week I ended up trading 2 contracts of ticker symbol B, Barrick Mining. And I profited $184.95, which is beautiful. Oh my God. Like, I don't even care. When I say I'm so happy, just $185, like, y'all don't know, that is a blessing. That will pay a bill for the month. And I made that in 30 seconds. Okay, so that's what I made with Barrick. Now, ticker symbol DAL, I traded the stock Delta, and I traded 3 contracts, and that I made $460.44. Listen, can't nobody tell me nothing. I'm just saying, like, corporate America, like, I would never step foot in nobody's office ever again. I am making my money right here. The stock market pays my bills. Thank you. The stock market paid my bills. Now, I will say, listen, y'all, listen to me. Y'all, listen to me. I humble myself in a second. If I ever had to go back to work, I'll go back to work, because I'm not that kind of person. You know what I mean? I'm not this snooty superior. Oh, no. If I ever had to go back to work for any reason, my tail would be right back. A help desk, how may I help you? I don't care. But the fact that I don't have to work because of the stock market and how it blessed me, the strategy has blessed me so much. Like, I can take care of my chronic illness. And if you're new here, I was diagnosed with juvenile type 1 diabetes. So I have an insulin pump and a CGM to survive, to live. So I don't have to like worry about any of those things. That's why I'm so happy. But anyways, in total, I made $645.39. Calculated up. $645.39. And I'm so excited. And y'all know I tell y'all like what I plan on doing with the funds and stuff like that. Like, it's either I'm going to purchase more shares. So it's a few things. Either I'm purchasing more shares of the current stock that I'm trading, or I may reinvest and purchase a contract, or I may throw it into my long-term buy and hold and purchase additional shares there in my buy and hold portfolio. Excuse me. And so, but no, I'm not reinvesting this. I'm not reinvesting this for a while. So right now I'm planning on taking a trip. And y'all in the comments in the last video, y'all was like, yeah, you better take a trip and rest and you deserve it and do. So I am going to actually take a trip. Yeah, I'm going to take a trip. And my birthday is coming up, and actually it's next week. And so I'm saving up every bit of my profits from this account. This account is, I call it my play money account. It's an account I started last year so that I can come here and share with y'all my profits and stuff. And so, yeah, so I'm actually going to like not spend it, and I'm going to pay for a trip for myself and my family. I'm not paying for a trip just for myself, by the way. It's actually going to pay for the family. So that's my plan. That's my plan. I just need a couple trades, just a couple. I don't need too many, because we're not about to go buck wild. Y'all know me, I do it up for my trips, but not this trip. Maybe the next one. Maybe the next one, but I just want a nice, cute little getaway. And that's it. And have my family with me, we cool. That's it. That's all I want. So that's gonna be cool. And what else I wanted to talk about before I head off of here? I don't think I have any updates or anything like that. What's today? Oh, it's the 22nd. Okay. Anyways, let me end the vlog, the video. If you're new and you want to learn the strategy, oh, I'm having the free stock trading masterclass coming up. I would love to see you there. Like, when I say your mind is gonna be blown away, like absolutely blown away, that's what I mean. Like, I'm putting this stock trading strategy on the map. Yeah, because nobody really know about it. Like, it's not because it's not sexy. Like, you actually have to start with some money. You do. You gotta start in with some money. And you know, day trading, you can have a couple $100, but this you gotta have a little thousand, a couple thousand, maybe, you know what I mean, a little thousand, couple thousand. So, but when I say it's worth it, sacrifice to get that money to fund your account, listen, it's worth it. I'm just so grateful that I worked them 3 jobs just to put it in my account. Look where I am today. It's all about sacrifice. Like, you just have to do what you have to do. At some point, you just get sick and tired of being sick and tired. And that's where I was. And I know one thing about me, if I'm when I'm in a pressure situation, oh, that's all I need. Game over. I can't, when there's some sort of pressure going on, oh baby, I'm gonna have to figure this out. It's too much pressure. I can't do this 9 to 5. They stressing me out. Oh my God, they want to fire me left and right because I want to take care of my health. Ugh, pressure. Can't do it. So yeah, Listen, I grind and I sacrifice so much, so much. I feel like, let me tell y'all this too, or do I want to put in a new video? No, I'm going to start a new video. I got to go. Hope y'all enjoy this one. See y'all in the next one. Bye.